Setting your rental home's irrigation timer. Whether you have an experienced green thumb or are new to the world of landscaping, caring for your lawn can be simple with the help of an irrigation timer. An irrigation timer helps save you the trouble for manually turning on and off your sprinkler systems. You'll first need to determine if you have a digital or a mechanical timer, as well as the make and model number of the timer. To do so, locate the timer in the garage or on an exterior wall near the garage. Once you have this information, please visit the manufacturer's website for specific information on using the system. It's important to note that some watering systems have separate sprinkler lines for different parts of the yard, such as one for the front lawn, one for the back lawn, and one for the garden. If your system is set up this way, you can create different watering schedules for each zone. You'll also want to consider seasonality when setting the schedule. In the summer, grass and other vegetation will require more water to accommodate for warmer temperatures. Reversely, the winter months will require less watering. It's a good idea to manually run each zone once a week to be sure the individual lines are working properly. The appearance of the grass and vegetation will also signal if these items need more or less water. For more helpful tips and tricks troubleshooting issues in your rental home, please visit rentprogress.com.